So do you want to learn how you can make money online just by suggesting products to people on your social media? I mean, you can make suggestions on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, your YouTube channel, Twitter, all these things for products you love, products you use, and then you get paid commissions. What is this about? Well, I'm going to tell you. Hi, I'm Julie, and I'm part of the Fun Affiliate family, and we are a family who's really working hard to make multiple income streams. One of those is affiliate marketing. Now, to boil down affiliate marketing, it's basically you suggesting a product to people and then them making a purchase online, and then you get paid a commission. Sounds easy, right? Well, there are some things you have to learn first, and that's why I'm here. I want to point out all the pros and cons to doing affiliate marketing. Now, some of the pros are passive income. What's passive income? Well, that means that you're not actively working at that moment and getting paid for it. It may be work you have done in the past. It may be a blog you have written, a YouTube video you have filmed and uploaded, or maybe even a TikTok video. And in those, you have suggested a product or a service, and if someone clicks your link, you get paid. You could be waking up to commissions in your email box. I was actually watching videos with my daughter, and I got the emails that I was earning commissions on a product that I was suggesting from multiple different areas. So that is the very good perks, is that it is passive income. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there is some training involved. You're gonna have to know some things. You can't just go out there and just talk about your product and put a link to your product in your video. It's not that simple. First, you're gonna have to sign up to be an affiliate for the product. Now, there are a lot of ways you can do this. Amazon is a huge affiliate program because you can buy everything on Amazon. Have you not noticed? So you can suggest all kinds of items and they will fall into a category on Amazon. Now, there are certain percentages that you'll earn based on the actual product. There are things you're gonna wanna study up about Amazon affiliate program, but all in all, it's a good way to get started, and depends on what your niche is, what your area is that you wanna talk about. You can definitely find a product on Amazon that will fit that particular niche, I'm certain. Another way would be to find things that you love, products you love, or services you love. For instance, my daughter is into crafts, she loves painting, and there's a great craft box affiliate program that we found, and so I signed up for that, so we're an affiliate for their program. So what we'll do is we'll talk about it on a YouTube video, she'll do an unboxing, she'll do the craft, we'll talk about it, and then in the video of the YouTube will be a link to purchase the product. It is a subscription, and subscriptions are good because people want to purchase those over and over. So that's an idea. You find something you love, look it up on Google to see if they have an affiliate program. A lot of these affiliate programs are combined into like a housing thing, kind of like a big umbrella. There's impact.com, there's ClickBank, there's CJ. So these are big companies that offer different affiliate programs. So like Target, for instance, is under impact.com. So you could search Target affiliate program and it will bring it up, but then you'll go to that company and apply. How do you apply? Good question. Well, it's pretty simple. You fill out the information they want, but there is a little bit of work on your part involved. You're gonna have to share with them your Instagram or your Facebook page, or maybe your TikTok or your YouTube channel information, your website. They're gonna wanna know, how are you gonna promote our product? Because they wanna see if you're a good fit for their product. Now, I've been turned down for them before. It's not a big deal. You move on to the next one. Maybe give yourself some time. Once you build your audience, you could reapply and see if maybe you're a better fit now. Maybe you have more followers. Maybe you have more YouTube subscribers. Whatever it is they're looking for, maybe you're a better fit in the future. But when you're starting out, Amazon's a great place to start. A lot of people will tell you, you're just gonna go here, grab an affiliate link, you're gonna put it in on your Pinterest pin. You gotta learn the right way to do it. That's not gonna work. That's just gonna be spam. No one wants to see that. So I'm gonna tell you the right ways to get started. Okay, so step one is find a program you wanna be an affiliate for. So once you have that, you're going to find out where do you want to promote this product. You can promote your product on, as I said, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, even Pinterest. You can make Pinterest pins. But to do those, you're gonna need a sort of landing page for that link to go to. If you go try to put an Amazon link in a Pinterest pin, it's not gonna work. So what we've done is we've created a website. We just use GoDaddy. We bought the domain. Ours is Fun Family Picks. And on that, we have educational picks, toy picks, recreational picks, and then we've added some along the way. So what you could do is you would create a page, and like, for instance, we have one for sea monkeys. So we have the picture of the sea monkeys that we got off of Amazon. We have a description of the sea monkeys, and we have a purchase button. And in GoDaddy, when you build your website, you will put a link to Amazon for that affiliate product. You will put that onto the actual website itself. So when people want to see what it's about, they'll click, it will take them directly to Amazon. Well, how did I get that link? How did I get that affiliate link? Well, you're going to have individual links for each product. So on Amazon, for instance, you will go in and find the product that you want and click that you want the affiliate link for that. There's lots of different links. I always go for the short link. Put it in your description on your website and then promote it. I made Pinterest pins for the sea monkeys, and then people could click it. We even made a YouTube video about sea monkeys. Yay, sea monkeys are so much fun. We did a whole video about it. And then in the video description, we put our link to our website that has the product. It's just better that way. People don't feel like they're being scammed. The companies allow it. Some companies won't even allow your affiliate link. So you have to be careful on that as well. So those are some things you're going to have to learn along the way. Now, when we talk about learning what to do, you could Google YouTube every time you have a question, and you'll probably be doing that anyway. But to learn the basics, what we did is we did the 15-day challenge. So I have a link to that in this video description, so you can learn more about the actual course we took to learn and how we got started with affiliate marketing. Now, when I say we got started with that training, that wasn't the end of our training, and we're still learning all the time. But we did the 15-day, and it was a great overview. There's a huge support system involved there. There's so much information, and it keeps going. Like, you keep learning as you go. But what I also recommend, we also did the 3-day challenge, and I have a link for that in the video description as well. So the 3-day kind of put it all together for us. It kind of gave us a little step-by-step, how to build the funnels, how to do all the things that you may need, you're gonna need to be successful. So that's another thing that we learned on our training. I've done a lot of other things as well. I won't get into all that on this video because you're gonna have your own journey. And I hope I'm a part of it. I hope you reach out to me. You can find us on TikTok. You can find us on Facebook. I even have a Facebook group. It's Fun Affiliate Family. And that group is where I can reach out to you. You can ask me questions. We can talk. I mean, I walk through people, walk through things with people to try to help them. It's just a little easier than on YouTube. YouTube is not very personable. You can ask me a comment. I can respond. But as far as a real back and forth, I was able to help someone on Facebook through Messenger. We were sending each other screenshots or videos of how to do things to try to help her create, hers was actually for one of the KDP books. So that's a great way to reach us, Facebook. I'll have a link to every way you can reach us in this video description. So that was our broad overview of affiliate marketing, what it is, how you can get started, what do you need to learn. And if you have any questions, let me know. If I've left something out, let me know. I would love to know how I can help you more. And if I create another video, would be great. Or on TikTok, I have lots of videos on how to do things on TikTok. We're a Fun Affiliate Family, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. You can find us all of those places. So I hope you have a great day. Get started. You're gonna learn then earn. But don't forget, if you have questions, ask somebody. Ask me. I'm here to help.